Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Your girl Jamada here. Guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Let's talk about how to leverage our business credit, guys, to purchase real estate. If you guys have been paying attention, there's a lot of commotion as far as interest rates are concerned. The Feds, hiking interest rates up, just making it, not affordable for a lot of people to purchase houses. So houses are staying on the market longer. The crazy toxic housing market, that was a seller's market, is no longer a seller's market. It's turning the tide to become a buyer's market, guys. And things are more expensive. There's inflation, and people are just going through financial hardship right now, guys. And that creates opportunity. Okay, we've had 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP, so technically we're in a recession, regardless of our government says that we're not, but it's a technical recession, guys. So people are feeling the squeeze financially. Okay, and foreclosure rates, guys, it was in forbearance, and it's starting to creep back up, guys, okay, at an alarming rate. So opportunities are going to be everywhere. And today I'm going to list the top 10 states for you that are experiencing high foreclosure rates. Okay, guys. So on this channel, I teach you guys a lot about business credit, personal credit, the importance of personal credit, having a strong, healthy score on your personal side and your business side, guys. Okay, that is going to allow you the opportunity, guys, to take advantage of foreclosures or any type of investment, guys. Okay, because once you have your credit in order, guys, you can borrow money to be able to leverage it. Even you can use your business credit cards to be able to buy foreclosures. Okay, so let's get into these top 10 states. But before we do, please go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, comment below, let me know what your thoughts are concerning these states. Do you live in one of these states, guys? Okay, are you seeing changes in your neighborhood? Let's talk about it. All right, guys, so coming in at number 10, we have Connecticut. Okay, at number 9, we have Indiana. At number 8 is Florida. Florida's been making a lot of noise, guys, a lot of noise in the news where it concerns the real estate market, guys. Okay, because a lot of people flock to Florida, and yeah, the housing market there has been like crazy hot. Okay, number 7 is Ohio. Number 6 is Maryland, guys. Okay, guys, let me list some of these counties in Maryland that I experienced in high foreclosure rates. Okay, so in the state of Maryland, you have Charles County, Allegheny, Queen Anne's County, Baltimore City County, and Caroline County. Coming in at number 5, we have South Carolina. At number 4, we have Nevada. At number 3, guys, we have New Jersey. And in New Jersey, the counties with the highest foreclosure rates, we have Salem, Sussex, Cumberland, Warren, and Gloucester. Number 2, we have Illinois, guys. Okay, and those counties in Illinois are Mason, Macoupin, Rock Island, Will, and Edgar. And coming in at number 1, number 1, okay, is Delaware, guys. Okay, Delaware, there's a lot of opportunity right now, and coming, I believe, in the fall in 2023, guys, it is going to be a bloodbath. Okay, so Delaware holds the number 1 spot for foreclosure ratings. Okay, so those counties are Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex County. All right, so guys, lots of opportunity there. So what you can do as you're acquiring business credit, you're fixing your personal credit and you're acquiring business credit, guys, get all the business credit and lines of credit that you can get right now, okay, without it harming your personal credit. Get it if you can get it. And this is what I've been doing also, getting these credit cards, guys. you can liquidate your credit card, guys, to put, do a down payment. Or if someone's in pre-foreclosure, guys, you can contact those homeowners and, help them do a subject to deal where you can help them, guys, and you acquire the property, and you would just keep the mortgage in place. And it will also help their credit too, because as you're paying on it, the mortgage stays in their name, but the deed, it becomes yours, in your name or your business name, however you want to do it. So you can also utilize a business line of credit, guys. Okay. The bank gives you, let's say the bank gives you 50K, guys. You use that 50K, you withdraw the money. As you pay it back, the line of credit becomes available again, guys. Okay. So let's keep our eyes and ears open for opportunities, guys. I wanted to share this with you all because I'm definitely going to be investing. Hey, I just might be investing with you guys in this group. You never know. I could partner with one of you guys in this community of entrepreneurs. So that does it, guys, for this video. Let me know, do you guys live in any of those states that I've listed? Are you seeing foreclosures in and around your neighborhood? Are you paying attention to the housing market? Let me know in the comment section. Okay. I wish you guys all the best in all of your endeavors. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like, guys. Be on the lookout for my ebook coming out shortly on business credit. I will give you guys more information as the time approaches. Okay. I wish you guys all the best. God bless. Bye.